The Internet is a system that connects computers worldwide. It is very useful for sharing information. We live in an era of the Internet. The Internet is used in schools, offices and public places. We could at once be connected to anyone over the Internet. The Internet answers all our questions. It is like a big sea of information. Without it, all the works will stop. It is widely used for booking tickets, sending messages, chatting, sharing documents, etc. Nowadays, people also study over the Internet. They listen to a teacher in a real-time video chat. The Internet today has become an inseparable part of our life. The Internet is a very important technology. Today it is in use almost everywhere. It is also available today to almost everyone. It is used in schools, offices, hospitals, railway stations, bus stands, etc. The Internet is our one-point access to the whole world. It is also very useful to the students. You can ask any question on the Internet and immediately get the answer. There are many good people sharing useful information on the Internet. They all make the Internet worth. Today the Internet is used for searching jobs, applying for jobs, finding locations, etc. Our school also uses Internet to keep our parents informed. The class timetable and our results are updated on the Internet. Today, life has become very easy with the help of the Internet. The Internet is used for information sharing. The information can be shared between two very far away places. News is also shared on the Internet. We can easily know what's happening in other parts of the world. Today, 90% of works are carried out with the help of the Internet. We have machines that can't run without Internet connectivity. Even airplanes today have an Internet connection. A lot of companies do business on the Internet. They sell their products over the Internet. The buyer also makes all the payments over the Internet. The bill is also generated over the Internet only. The Internet is also a useful learning platform. Data is updated regularly on the Internet. Students can read their study material over the Internet. You can also do research on the Internet if you want. Emailing is another major use of the Internet today. Companies use email as a communication and sharing platform. The Internet has become very useful for society. The Internet is a very useful technology. It is very useful and let us do so many things. There is so much information on the Internet that we can use. It is useful in studies. It also improves our general knowledge. The Internet has an answer to every question. No one with the Internet is left unanswered. It also gives entertainment. We can watch movies, listen to songs, play games and do so many things. If you feel lonely, you can video call your friends. We stay informed about events around us by the news received on the Internet. It is so much informative that you feel addicted to it. Whatever you wish you get on the Internet. There is no doubt that the Internet is useful. But, there is also a little risk involved. We should use the Internet sensibly. Children should use it under supervision. Use it only when necessary. Do not overindulge as it might harm you. It can be distractive if used longer. You may lose your concentration and memory power. You will also find it difficult to study. There is also a risk of leaking private information on the Internet. Today everyone has a social media account. We post pictures and our thoughts on it. This is revealing your personal information, which could be used against you. It has made our life faster and easy. But it has also made it risky. Children are getting addicted to the Internet. They are watching videos, playing games, etc. This habit makes children study less. The use of the internet must be limited to children. The internet is one of the most recent creations done by a person that has reformed the style of working and living. It has nearly decreased the separation and has broken all the human-made boundaries and brought the entire world readily available. It has brought data at our doorstep, and by the snap of a catch, we can go into the universe of data. Today the web has become so normal that it is promptly accessible in the entire world. These days, we don't require even a PC. With the section of cell phones and 4G innovation, WebGet2 has gotten simpler and quicker. The Internet utilizes the standard web convention suite to serve a few billion clients worldwide. As it were, it might be known as a system of correspondence using PCs everywhere throughout the world. Anybody with a PC may sign on to the web. In any case, one must have specific programming. The Internet has many focal points. One may get any data one needs on the net. Getting data on absolutely any topic is of incredible favorable position to understudies and their examinations, particularly when planning reports. Individuals occupied with a research advantage incredibly because they can find out about examination everywhere throughout the world and apply it. Consequently, it is foreseen that science and innovation will progress at a different speed. The basic man may have numerous questions. One can go after a position, and one can get applications, one can shop, and one can promote. One can monitor one's financial balance. Along these lines, the web has made ready for huge favorable circumstances. However, there can be some disadvantages of the internet too, like, one of the biggest being it's very easy to transfer misinformation. But, if used wisely, the web can prove to be a great help.